not a lie, but I think I lost and said it. I was fine, said it from the coffee. Remember how I died when you started walking. That's my life, that's my life. I put up a fight, I take it out my earrings. Don't you know the vibe? Don't you know the feeling? You should spend the night. That's me on your ceiling. That's your bride, that's your bride.
I'm too messy, and then I'm too freaking clean. You told me get a job and you ask where the hell I've been. And I'm too perfect till I open my big mouth. I want to be me, is that not allowed? And I'm too clever, and then I'm too freaking dumb. You hate it when I cry unless it's that time of the month. And I'm too perfect.
I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, and you your freedom calling, calling me to answer. Gonna keep on keeping on.
You seem like the type to love and believe him and disappearing after the song. So give me the night to show you, to hold you. Don't leave me out here dancing alone. You can't make up your mind, mind. Please don't waste my time. I'm not trying to rewind, wind.
You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can see your halo. Pray you won't fade away.
Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God.